In this video, we're going to take a look at what to do with your Google form once you've had students take the form, how to view those results, and what you can do with them. So you can see I have 3 responses. I filled it out 3 times myself. If I click on responses here, it'll show me my answers to them. So I have my answers there, favorite colors, and then favorite animals. Google will do a nice job here. They like to give you, especially multiple choice answers, they'll give you, or drop down menu answers, they'll give you like a pie graph to show you exactly what it looks like, so you can take those. You can also copy these and put them other places so you have that data. So that's right there, I can see it. There's only 3 of them, so it's real easy to see them all. When I get more, then it'll give you a scrolling menu to go down with it, which is sometimes hard to see all in one place. So what I like to do, and I'll get to it in a second, so there's my data. I can do it as a summary, or I can do it as an individual. So if I click on individual, it'll show me the form that each person filled out and what their answers were. That's going to be even more time consuming than if I was trying to go through all of them. So what I like to do is I like to click right up here, and I want to create a spreadsheet. I'll create a spreadsheet. I'm going to create a new one since I don't have an existing one. I hit create, and in a new tab, it'll create a spreadsheet that has all the information. This is easier to view large amounts of data, and I can see exactly when they took it, their names, answer the favorite color, and answer to their favorite animal. So they can do that. And as you can see, if I had more people here, I could view more at a time very easily. I can sort these things like I can in any sheets. So if I want to see how many kids selected blue, I could sort them so all the blue ones showed up on top. Or I wanted to see what type of animal was most popular, I could sort them to see which one it was. So that's how you view the results. You can either look at it by summary, look at it by individual, or link it to a spreadsheet to see them all on one page. So that's how you look at results.